And how does our processing queue work? This is a very short video just to show you in detail how it works. So let's go. Here, basically, is the history of the campaigns you are uploading. As the name suggests, it is a processing queue. First thing, when you set a campaign to upload 251, do you need to wait to upload another one? No, you don't. You can keep uploading others, which will stay here in the queue. And when one finishes, the next one starts automatically, okay? So how does the queue work? I'll go through all the fields. Here there is some information like how many products were created, if the proxy is active, how many ad accounts, and how many campaigns. In this case, it was an ABO catalog 1.1 campaign. The first interesting thing here in the queue is this. You can click on the campaign ID and you have the option to open this ID directly in your browser in case you are already logged into your Facebook profile here, or copy the Facebook URL and open it in the multi-login that you have, okay? So here, look, these are just the images, see? So here's a campaign, here's an account, a campaign, ad set, ad. So the same applies to the ad set ID, ad ID, campaign ID, it is the same ID, right? Yeah, just so you can search within the manager, okay? What is most interesting here is that you can reuse the queue. So you can reuse the campaign. Oh, I want to upload the same campaign, but in another account. You will click here on reuse configuration. You will go back to the steps to change the account, and that's it. You will be able to reuse the queue. What is most interesting here in the queue? When we have a delay campaign, right, a catalog campaign with a delay, I think there is another catalog video where I show this. There will be a button up here showing that you can anticipate the delay. So basically, the queue is quite simple, right? It shows here. Oh, another important thing too. Oh, if there was a failure in the queue or some kind of error, there is the queue ID. So whenever you contact support, send this queue ID here. You can use the short ID, and we can already check in our system exactly what the processing was and see what the error was to fix it as quickly as possible. Okay, so that's how the queue works. There isn't much else to show here, but there are some important things.